my dear students, and this is Sandhya Srihari, and we have come up with the third session of the important chapter 1 MCQ questions. And in this session we will be covering introduction to trigonometry based on questions as well as arithmetic progression. So quickly starting up the first question of the third session. So in the first question, in a right angle triangle, if the length of the sides of adjacent and opposites of to the angle theta is 5 and 12. Let us draw a right angle triangle. This is my right angle triangle, and I'll consider this to be theta. They are telling the length of the sides of adjacent and opposite. Adjacent is 5, opposite is 12. I have to find the value of sine theta. For finding sine theta, we know that sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. I should know hypotenuse. So for finding hypotenuse, Pythagoras theorem is the only way. So if this is x square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square is 149 plus, 12 square is 144 plus 25, that is giving me 169. So x will be equal to square root of 169, which is 13. Hence the unknown side hypotenuse is 13 and sine theta will be equal to opposite by hypotenuse, which is 12 by 13, and my answer will be option B. Option B will be my right answer, because finding hypotenuse and knowing what is exactly sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot is the main important clarity that you need in this chapter. Next, moving to, if sine A is equal to 4 by 5, I have to find cos A. In the first question I have given you what is sine theta. It is opposite by hypotenuse. So if I draw a right angle triangle again, if this is angle A, for this angle this is opposite, this is adjacent, and this will be my hypotenuse. So sine A is 4 by 5, opposite by hypotenuse is 4 by 5. So this is 4, this is 5. According to Pythagoras theorem, 4, 5, the Pythagorean triplet will be 3. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. That gives me 5 square, which is 25. Therefore, my cos theta will be equal to, cos is always equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 3, hypotenuse is 5. So my option will be again A, 3 by 5. In this question, multiple ways of analyzing is important. When you are looking at angle A, a triangle given angle A is here, you have to look in a various manner. If angle A is here, you are drawing your own triangle. Make it at your ease and make sure you are analyzing the sides properly, opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse, as well as remembering what is cos, what is sine with respect to the side measurement. That is important. Going to third question. In a right angle triangle, if the hypotenuse is 10 units, drawing a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is 10 units and one of these angle is 30 degree. I'll take this angle to be 30 degree. Then the length of the side opposite to it is, I'll consider this to be my opposite side. So whenever I see the angle from this end, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse is nothing but sine theta. So I will apply sine 30, theta is given to me equal to opposite, I don't know, I'll take it as x by 10. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 equal to x by 10. So 1s are 5s are, x is directly equal to 5, which is my option A. X is 5 units. In the fourth question, in a right angle triangle, if the length of the hypotenuse is 13 units, again a triangle is given to me. The length of the hypotenuse is 13 units and the length of one leg is 5 units. This is 5 units. I have to find the other leg. A very simple question based on 6th standard. I will take 13 square is equal to 5 square plus x square. I'll consider this as x. 13 square 169 minus 5 square 25 equal to x square. So 144 equal to x square. X is square root of 144, which is 12. So again option A is my right answer here. So by just applying Pythagoras theorem, I am able to find the unknown side of the given right angle triangle. In the previous question, theta was given, I used which angular projection needed, opposite was given, hypotenuse is given. So based on each particular question, our brain has to think vigorously, immediately with minute amount of timing, then only our question paper is going to end easily. In the next question, the trigonometric ratio that gives the ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse is nothing but cos. It's also called as cosine. So option B. So the sixth question, I think, my dear children, this is not a question in which we have to find the angle which is opposite to the length 7. We have to check whether this is a right angle triangle or not. So the question here, I think it's not apt. We'll move on to the seventh question. In the seventh question, if sine theta is equal to 1 and theta is an acute angle, find the value of theta. Sine theta, we know that. I'll draw a right angle triangle. If this is my theta, they are telling sine theta is 1. For this angle, this is opposite, this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. I know that sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So if sine theta is 1, it is 1 divided by 1. This is also 1, this is also 1. When is my sine angle 1? Sine, if I go for the finger projection, sine 90 is 1. So sine of theta equal to sine 90 degree. Therefore, sine is getting cancelled, and option D, which is theta equal to 90 degree, will be the right answer here. Next is, so in the next chapter, we'll be covering arithmetic progression. In the first question, in an AP, if the first term is 5 and the common difference is 7, what is the fourth term? Whenever we have to find the unknown term like A4, A10, A100, we have a formula called as nth term of the AP. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now they are asking us to find the fourth term. So A4 will be equal to A plus 3D, one lesser than this. One lesser than the actual number. A10 if they are asking A plus 9D. A100 A plus 99D. So A4 is asked A plus 3D. A is given, D is given. A is 5, 3 into D is 7. So it's 5 plus 21. Answer will be 26, matching with option A. In the second question, in an AP, if the second term is 12, fifth term is 21, find D. So in this question, the second term is 12. So second term A2 will be written as A plus D, which is given to be 12. A5 means A plus 4D, that is given to be 21. Now let us subtract both the equations. This is getting cancelled. D minus 4D is minus 3D equal to minus 9. Negative, negative gone. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So my common difference is 3. Option A is matching with the answer here. They can even further give a continued portion of the question. Read the question properly and solve it. The sum of first 8 terms of an AP where the first term is 4 and common difference is 6. First term is given, common difference. That means A is given, D is given. A is 4, D is 6. I have to find S8. S8 will be equal to 8 by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So it's 2 ones are 2 4s are 4 into 2 into 4, that is A, and I have to find 8. So my n is 8, 8 minus 1 will be 7 into D is 6. Hence 4, 8 plus 42. So it's 54s are 200 will be my right answer here. The formula for Sn is, I am writing the formula in the column here, n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Using the formula, I have substituted the same with the given components matching with each other. My answer is D, 200. In the fourth question, if the fourth term of an AP is 15 and ninth term is 30, I have to find the common difference. Fourth term, I'll write it as A plus 3D, which is given as 15. Ninth term, A plus 8D will be 30. Subtract them. If you subtract, A's are getting cancelled. 3 minus 8 is negative 5D equal to negative 15. Negatives gone, 1s are 3s are. Common difference is 3. Option A is right. Going ahead. In the fifth one, the 12th term of the AP is 40 and 20th term is 72. I have to find the common difference again. Taking same sort of questions because you should get used to it so that whenever question seen, you have to immediately figure out what is the way to answer these types of questions. So 12th term is given A plus 12D, 11D equal to 40. 20th term is given A plus 19D equal to 72. So subtracting this, negative, negative and negative, A's are gone. I am left with negative 8D equal to 32, negative 32. So negative, negative, and I am getting D value as 4, matching with option A. We'll move on to the sixth question here. If the sum of first 6 term of an AP is 84, S6 is given to be 84, and the common difference is 4, find the first term. That means in this question, n will be 6, common difference is given as 4, I have to find A. Let us write the formula. S6 is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S6 is given, that is 84, n is 6 by 2, A I don't know, 6 minus 1 is 5 and D is 4. I'll substitute all the values here. So 84 equal to 2 1s are 3s are 3 into 2A plus 20. I'll shift the 3 to the other end. 84 divided by 3 gives me 2A plus 20. This is 28. Taking 20 to the other end, 28 minus 20 is giving me 8 equal to 2A. 1s are 4s are. So here we are able to see that my answer is 8 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. So A is 4, but we don't have in this option. I think the question is misprinted. We'll go for option, we'll take the answer as 4 itself and not relying on the answers or the options given in the question. Moving on to the next question. So in the seventh question, the sum of first 15 terms of an AP is 450. First term is 10 and common difference is 5. I have to find the last term. So in this question, we'll directly take AN formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A is given to be 10, n is 15 minus 1 and common difference is 5. So I have 10 plus 14 into 5, that is 10 plus 70, which is 80. 80 is my option A, that is the right answer. Moving to 8th question. The fifth term of an AP is 25, common difference is 5. I have to find the first term. Very simple question. So A5 is given, expansion will be A plus 4D. I'll substitute what and all is given. A5 25, A I have to find out. 4 into 5 is my common difference. So 25 minus 20, that is 5, which is my option A will be my first term. Moving on to 9th one. In the second term of if the second term of the AP is 8, fifth term is 20, I have to find the common difference. Second term can be written as A2 equals A plus D, which is 8. A5 is A plus 4D, which is 20. Subtracting, I am getting minus 3D equal to negative 12. So I have D as 4. D is directly 4. In the next question, let us see the sum of first 12 terms of an AP is 432. First term is 4 and common difference is 8. I have to find the 12th term. I'll directly go for A12. A12 is equal to A plus 11D. A is 4. 11 into D is 8. So 4 plus 88, that will be 92. But it is not at all matching with the options given. Again, there might be a misprint in the given question paper. Therefore, we'll go for 92 as the right answer, not messing up our minds. The exact answer will be 92 itself. In question number 11, the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 84. The common difference is given. I have to find the first term. First term means I have to find A. I know that S7 will be equal to 7 by 2 into 2A plus 6D. This is 84 given to me equal to 7 by 2 into, I'll take 2 common here, 2 into A I have to find out, and 3D, D is again 3. So 2 and 2 are getting cancelled here. Therefore 7 1s are 7 12s are 12 equal to A plus 9. Shifting 9 to the other end, 12 minus 9 is 3, which is A. So we are getting the answer as A equal to 3, which was asked in the question. Moving to the 12th one, in an AP, The first term is 2 and the sixth term is 20. I have to find the 12th term. First term is given, that is 2. A6 is given to me, so I'll take A6 is equal to A plus 5D. A6, let us substitute, this is 20. A is given 2 plus 5D. I'll first shift the 2. 20 minus 2 is 18 equal to 5D. So D is 18 by 5. Once I find D, I have to find 12th term. So A12 equal to A plus 11D. A is known, 2, 11 into D is 18 by 5. I'll take LCM here, 5 2s is 10 plus 198 divided by 5 is giving me 208 by 5, which is 41.6. If I look at the option, I don't have 41.6, so the nearest fraction, the nearest option which is matching is rounded off to 42. So option C will be my right answer in this particular question. If the answer is given in decimal or fraction, look into that. If some fractions are specified here, divide that and go for the nearest one and choose the right answer. My dear students, this was the third session of MCQ important questions based on the different chapters. Next session we'll be coming up with the toughest of the toughest questions based on trigonometric identity solving and triangles. Both are covering in and around of 20 to 22 marks in your half yearly as well as board paper. In this session you are doing all the important quick type of questions that are covered, and in the next particular video you will be getting to know the importance of particular types of questions in which one question's answer will not be matching with the second or the third one. Each particular question will have a different format of solving. So stay tuned with us and do subscribe my YouTube channel. See you, bye, tata, have a great day.